Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this diagnostic guide for DTC B0021-12, related to a short to power in the left side curtain airbag inflator for the 2023 Plus Honda Accord. This code indicates that the SRS Supplemental Restraint System unit has detected an abnormality, which suggests that there's an issue in the left side curtain airbag circuit that prevents it from functioning correctly. Understanding the functioning of the SRS is crucial, as it plays a significant role in the vehicle's safety by deploying airbags in case of a collision. The left side curtain airbag is located on the left side of the vehicle, typically situated above the door frame, extending down when deployed to protect occupants from side impacts. This presentation will delve deeply into the causes, symptoms, and the essential troubleshooting steps to ensure the safety features of your Honda Accord function effectively. DTC B0021-12 indicates a short to power in the left side curtain airbag first inflator, which is part of the SRS. The left side curtain airbag plays a vital role in protecting passengers during side impact collisions by deploying a cushioning barrier between occupants and the side of the vehicle. The SRS unit, found typically under the dashboard near the center console, monitors various sensors and components related to the airbag system. If the voltage on the detection line within the SRS unit exceeds a predetermined threshold, it triggers this error code, signaling that there may be a wiring fault or component failure. It is essential to inspect not just the airbag itself, but also the wiring and connection integrity leading to the SRS unit to diagnose and rectify the issue accurately. The potential causes for DTC B0021-12 include several critical issues. First, collision damage may compromise the integrity of the airbag system. If the vehicle has been in a collision, it is essential to verify that all associated components, including the left side curtain airbag and wiring harness, have been correctly replaced and installed. Secondly, shorted wiring could occur within the circuits leading to the left side curtain airbag, specifically the LCA Plus and LCA minus lines, which require thorough inspection for continuity and shorts. Lastly, a faulty airbag component may directly trigger this code, emphasizing the need for careful examination of the airbag and related components to ensure they function as intended. Each of these causes can lead to significant safety implications and requires immediate attention. When DTC B0021-12 is present, several symptoms may become evident. The most noticeable is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, indicating a malfunction in the airbag system. Additionally, the airbag may fail to deploy during a collision, which poses a severe risk to passenger safety. There may also be an overall SRS system malfunction, leading to unreliable behavior of the airbag system. Such symptoms underline the importance of addressing any DTC codes immediately to ensure that the safety features are operating correctly and to avoid potential consequences in the event of an accident. Recognizing these symptoms early can significantly impact the effectiveness of the vehicle's safety measures and protect its occupants. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B0021-12 involves performing a confirmation procedure. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode and wait for approximately 10 seconds. This brief pause allows the SRS unit to effectively self-check its components and functionality. After this period, check to see if DTC B0021-12 is still indicated. Normal conditions should show that no DTCs are present after this procedure. If the DTC reappears, this indicates that the left side curtain airbag is indeed the problem. Conversely, If no codes are present, the issue may lie with another component in the SRS system that requires further inspection. This initial step is crucial for isolating the source of the problem. The second troubleshooting step for DTC B0021-12 is to perform a left side curtain airbag circuit inspection. Ensure the 12-volt battery terminal disconnection procedure is completed and wait for at least 3 minutes to ensure all residual power is dissipated. Following this, you should disconnect the left side curtain airbag inflator connector. Once the connector is disconnected, perform a thorough examination of the left side curtain airbag for any visible damage or faults. It's vital to ensure that the inflatable component and its connections are intact and free from corrosion or wear. This inspection can often reveal obvious issues that could cause DTC B0021-12, enabling effective rectification of the problem. The third troubleshooting step involves conducting an LCA plus and LCA minus shorted wire inspection. Prior to this step, ensure you've disconnected the SRS unit connector B, which usually contains 57 pins. This preparation allows you to isolate the system for thorough testing. Reviewing the circuit diagram is crucial, as it guides you in identifying key points within the airbag circuit. Inspect the wiring leading from the SRS unit to the left side curtain airbag to check for any shorts to power or ground conditions. Utilize the open shorted wire inspection description as a guide to evaluate the wiring. This methodical approach ensures that all components related to the left side curtain airbag circuit are assessed for faults, which may clarify the cause of the DTC code. In the fourth step of troubleshooting, for DTC B0021-12, the focus shifts to the SRS unit inspection. If previous steps reveal that the left side curtain airbag and associated wiring are in normal condition, it suggests the SRS unit may be at fault. It is crucial to confirm that all other inspection components tested negative before concluding this step. Since the SRS unit monitors and controls the deployment of airbags, a malfunction here can have serious implications for vehicle safety. After determining the SRS unit to be the issue, appropriate measures must be taken to replace or repair it in accordance with established protocols to restore the airbag system functionality effectively. After completing all necessary repairs regarding DTC B0021-12, it is essential to conduct a final verification of the repair. Start by using diagnostic tools to clear all stored DTCs from the SRS unit. Following this, perform a thorough test to confirm that the left side curtain airbag and the overall SRS functionality are operating correctly. It's also advisable to conduct a test drive to ensure there are no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard while driving. This final assessment confirms that the repair procedures have effectively resolved the issue and that the safety features are fully functional, ensuring the well-being of all vehicle occupants. Verifying these components helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the airbag system. Preventive maintenance is crucial for sustaining the functionality of the SRS system and avoiding issues like DTC B0021-12 in the future. Regular SRS checks should be conducted to ensure that all components, including airbags and sensors, are in optimal condition. Implementing routine inspections of the wiring integrity leading to the airbag components can help identify wear or shorts before they result in failure. Additionally, visually inspecting the airbag components for any damage or signs of aging ensures that they will perform their role effectively when needed. Adopting these preventive measures can significantly enhance vehicle safety, providing peace of mind while driving. Wrapping up this diagnostic guide for DTC B0021-12, It is vital to understand the significance of monitoring diagnostic trouble codes and ensuring the safety systems in your vehicle are functioning correctly. We have explored critical components of the SRS system, namely the left side curtain airbag and SRS unit, alongside thorough troubleshooting steps to isolate issues effectively. From performing initial inspections to concluding with final repairs and preventive maintenance, each phase is designed to prioritize safety and reliability. The safety of a vehicle's occupants depends largely on the successful repair and maintenance of airbags and associated systems, emphasizing that immediate attention to DTCs is crucial. By following this structured approach, you can ensure the safety and security of every journey in your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!